Hi guys, welcome to my next how-to video. In this one I'm going to be covering how I recently painted outdoor fabric cushions. My existing seating was old and really badly faded. Over the course of a day I was able to give it a brand new lease of life. When choosing your paint, just make sure it's suitable for exterior. I initially got a little spray happy and sprayed it with far too much water, which is why you'll see me going from the rolling straight out to the brush and then back to the rolling, as I had to let the area dry. So just make sure you don't spray too much water. The fabric really soaks up the paint, so rather than waste it, I just did 2 coats on the underside. The paint actually dries really quickly on the fabric. Well, and it also helped that it was a super sunny day, but it's not like waiting for paint to dry on a piece of furniture. While I did 6 coats on the top side, I was actually doing them in lots of 2. So I was putting it on, doing another one straight away, and then leaving it to dry, and then going back for another 2, and then another 2. Sanding this literally took 2 minutes. The last step is just to put your soft wax on with a brush or a cloth, and that's it. I'm absolutely thrilled with how it turned out. It's like a brand new cushion, and for those wondering, yeah, it is really soft. To sit on, to squeeze it, it just feels like a nice soft cushion.